Programmer. A programmer is someone who writes computer programs. These programs tell a computer what to do. Programmers create software, apps, and websites. They are important in today's world because almost everything we use is run by computers. From smartphones to cars, many things need programming to work properly. To become a programmer, a person needs to learn how to write code. Code is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. There are different programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. Each language has its own rules and is used for different types of programs. For example, Java is often used to build apps, while Python is good for data analysis. Programmers spend a lot of time writing code. They need to be very careful when doing this. Even a small mistake, like typing the wrong symbol, can cause the program to break. This is called a bug. Programmers must find and fix bugs to make sure the program works correctly. This process is called debugging. It can take a lot of time and patience. One of the main jobs of a programmer is to solve problems. A programmer must think about what the program needs to do and how to make it happen. This often means breaking down a big problem into smaller steps. For example, if a programmer is building a game, they need to figure out how the player will move, how the enemies will act, and how the game will end. Each part of the game is a separate problem that the programmer must solve. Many programmers work in teams. Large projects, like building a big website or an app, require many people. Each programmer works on a different part of the project. They need to communicate with each other to make sure their code fits together. Teamwork is important because one person's code might affect another person's work. If one part of the program does not work, it can cause problems for the whole team. A typical day for a programmer starts by looking at their tasks for the day. This might include writing new code or fixing problems with old code. Programmers often use special tools to write their code, called Integrated Development Environments, or IDEs. These tools help programmers write, test, and organize their code more easily. After writing some code, a programmer will test it to make sure it works. If it doesn't, they will go back and try to fix the problem. Programmers also use version control systems. This is a tool that helps keep track of changes in the code. It is very helpful when working in teams because it allows programmers to see what changes others have made. If something goes wrong, version control can help find where the mistake happened and go back to an earlier version of the code. One of the best things about being a programmer is the ability to be creative. Programming is like building something new from scratch. Programmers can create anything they imagine, from games to websites to robots. They use their skills to turn ideas into real, working products. Many programmers enjoy the challenge of solving problems and seeing their creations come to life. Programming is also a skill that can be used in many different industries. Programmers can work in technology companies, of course, but they are also needed in healthcare, finance, education, and even entertainment. For example, hospitals use software to track patients' health, and banks use programs to manage money and security. In the entertainment industry, programmers help create special effects for movies or develop video games. The demand for programmers is growing. As more businesses and services move online, the need for skilled programmers increases. Many companies are always looking for people who know how to write code. This makes programming a good career choice for people who enjoy working with computers and solving problems. To become a good programmer, a person must be patient and detail-oriented. Writing code can be very technical, and it's easy to make mistakes. Programmers need to pay close attention to what they're doing and be willing to try different solutions when something doesn't work. Problem solving is a big part of the job, and a good programmer enjoys the challenge. Learning to code takes time. Many people start by studying computer science in school or taking online courses. There are many resources available to help beginners learn how to code. Some people even teach themselves by working on small projects or following tutorials. Practice is important because the more a person codes, the better they become at solving problems and writing efficient programs. Programmers also need to keep learning. Technology changes quickly, and new programming languages and tools are always being developed. A good programmer stays updated by reading articles, attending conferences, and trying out new tools. Learning never stops in this field because there is always something new to discover. There are many different types of programmers. Some work as software developers, creating programs that people use every day, like word processors or video games. Others are web developers who build websites and make sure they run smoothly. There are also mobile app developers who create apps for phones and tablets. Some programmers specialize in systems programming, working on the core software that makes computers run. One of the challenges of being a programmer is the amount of time spent in front of a computer. Programmers often sit for long hours while writing and testing code. This can be tiring, so it is important for them to take breaks and stay active. Some programmers also find it challenging to keep up with the fast pace of new technology, but many enjoy the learning process. Programming is not just about writing code. It also involves thinking critically and logically. Programmers must consider how to make their code efficient so that it runs fast and does not use too much memory. They also need to make sure their code is easy for others to understand, especially when working in a team. Writing clear, organized code is a skill that takes time to develop. One of the rewarding parts of being a programmer is seeing the final product. After spending hours, days, or even months working on a project, it's exciting to see the finished result. Whether it's a website, an app, or a game, knowing that people are using something you created is a great feeling. Many programmers enjoy this sense of accomplishment and the satisfaction that comes from solving complex problems. In conclusion, programming is a challenging but rewarding career. Programmers use their skills to create software, solve problems, and bring ideas to life. They work in many different industries and are in high demand. Becoming a good programmer takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn. While the job can be difficult, it offers many opportunities for creativity, growth, and making a positive impact on the world.